In this video, I will show you how to crochet the Capricorn Zodiac symbol decorated with delicate small orchid flower. You can use this piece as a keychain or a handmade gift.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet tutorial channel, Mayy Crochet.
Here are the materials you will need. Let's begin. First, we will crochet the Capricorn symbol. Start with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into the magic ring. At the end of each row, slip stitch to finish the row and chain 1 to start the next row. I won't repeat these steps in the following rows. Row 2 to rows 50, single crochet in each stitch. Cut the yarn and leaving a long tail. Then make one extra piece with 8 rows. Repair pieces of wire with the same length as the crochet pieces. Insert the wire into each piece. Then use the yarn needle to hide the excess yarn inside. Next is the orchid flowers. I'm using light purple yarn. Make a magic ring and crochet into the magic ring 2 chains, 2 double crochet, two chains, slip stitch in the magic ring. Repeat this pattern 3 times. Chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. Use hot glue to secure the ends to the back of the flowers. Use a tiny piece of yellow chalk to add color in the center of each flower. Make 2 flowers in total.
Next is the leaf. Make a knot. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch in the next. Half the crochet in the next. Crochet in the last stitch, then chain 1, slip stitch in the same stitch, and finally chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Make 3 leaves.
After finishing all the pieces, shape them into the Capricorn Zodiac symbol, then attach the flowers and leaf by using hot glue. And that's it. We have completed the Capricorn symbol with the orchid. If you finished yours, please leave a comment and interact with this video to support me. And don't forget to stay tuned for the next episode of this series.
If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to follow my next tutorials.